Good morning, children. Welcome, all of you, on this digital platform e learning. And this is class 10th, and book is First Flight, Chapter 2, Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela. Yesterday, we completed the first comprehension check and we learned and read about Nelson Mandela, who was the first black president of South Africa. Today, we will discuss about the questions given in the first part, oral comprehension check. We will practice how to write the answer according to the board pattern, the value points. You know, children, that these are the questions of 30 to 40 words. You have to answer in 30 to 40 words. So be careful while writing the answer and focus the value point. You can write your answer also, but we will discuss. The first question says, where did the ceremonies take place? Can you name any public building in India that are made of sandstone? Very simple question. So the ceremonies took place in the campus building of Pretoria, and the buildings in India that are made of sandstones are Parliament House in New Delhi, Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi, Supreme Court of India in New Delhi, and Madras High Court, Chennai. So this is the exact answer. And come to the second question, important question. Can you say how 10th May is an autumn day in South Africa? The suggested answer is 10th May is an autumn day in South Africa because on this day there was the largest gathering of international leaders on South African soil for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. So the value point or the important point that should be written, the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. Now, third question, we will take the third question. At the beginning of his speech, Mandela mentions an extraordinary human disaster. What does he mean by this? What is the glorious human achievement he speaks of at the end? So, children, an extraordinary human disaster refers to the political system that was apartheid, where colored people suffered a lot and discriminated on the basis of color. So this is the answer of extraordinary human disaster. And what does he mean by this? What is the glorious human achievement? The glorious achievement refers that a black person became the president of a country. Which country where the blacks are not considered as human being and are treated badly? Question number 4. What does Mandela thank the international leaders for? So, Mandela thanked all the international leaders for having come to take possession with the people of our country. So he thanked them. Children, this is the suggested answer. You can write the answer and you are free to write the answer of your choice, but it should be very to the point and value point should be added. Question number 5. What ideals does he set out for the future of South Africa? What was his hopes and what was he expected? So the answer of this question is Mandela set out the ideals to liberate all people from poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. So all these answers are given in your textbook. Children, I tell you that use literary terms while answering, that is given in your textbook. Use textbook words so you can get more and more marks if you write the answer according to the textbook. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss and read about Nelson Mandela in the second part.